All right, COPD is a lung disease that affects many Americans. Here to tell us more is Marisa McKay.
Thanks, Annie. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease can make people feel like living a normal life is not an option, but there are ways to help improve patients' quality of life and their health. Alpena resident Karen Rickel is a 63-year-old mother, grandmother, wife, and friend. She was also a pack-a-day smoker and COPD patient who was unable to breathe.
I couldn't even walk from my bedroom to this living room without standing there just, and that's with inhalers. And
in 2007, Karen was diagnosed with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, a lung condition that is the third leading cause of death in the U.S.
COPD, unfortunately, is one of these diseases that is slowly progressive, and by the time we really can make a definitive diagnosis, it's almost too late.
The largest part of any pulmonologist practice is treating patients with COPD. Here in Alpena, about 50% of Dr. Maxwell's patients have COPD. But pulmonary rehab can help anybody with COPD or breathing difficulty get their health back on track. Karen did not seek help until last year because making the decision to carry oxygen was a difficult one for her. But since 2011, Karen has been receiving oxygen and pulmonary therapy from the Alpena Regional Medical Center.
It's more of an education role. Then we also have the exercise part of it too, which we have the exercise specialists that they kind of hone in on what the patients can do and what not so much as what they can't do. We put together with the nurse and the exercise specialist as far as a program that's individualized for them.
Karen was also able to receive lung volume reduction surgery in conjunction with her therapy that has improved her condition. But for anybody who's concerned about COPD, there are steps you can take to improve your health.
See your primary care provider. Ask about testing for the hereditary form of emphysema. Ask about testing for COPD. Stop smoking.
For Karen, the decision to stop smoking and seek treatment has been the best one she's ever made.
it's a miracle. I just keep saying it's a miracle. It is the best feeling. I say to anybody, do what you can as soon as you can. And the most important thing is do not smoke.
Marisa McKay, WBKB News, Alpena.